Now let's learn about the trigonometric ratios of thrice of certain angle. Right. First, let me write the formula for the sine 3 theta and cosine of 3 theta. Then later we'll learn about the tangent of 3 theta, and we'll do a lot of practice of these things and proving questions and many different types of the question based on the trigonometric ratios of thrice of certain angle. We'll be dealing a lot. Right. So let me first write the formula for the sine 3 theta first. Theta is just an angle here. I'll first write, and then I will tell you how you can remember it. Just a trick to remember that sine 3 theta is equals to 3 sine theta minus 4 sine cube theta. Okay, now the thing you need to keep always in mind is, see, when you're writing the formula of sine 3 theta, all right, when you're writing the formula of sine 3 theta, it starts with 3 sine theta and then minus 4 sine cube theta. Keep always in mind that in every term there must be 3. Okay, so sine 3 theta, here is 3, and it is starting with 3. Always keep in mind, it always start with 3. So it's 3 sine theta and minus 4 sine cube theta. So 3 again you get as a cube. So always in every term the cube comes. And now the formula for the cosine of 3 theta you can write very, very easily. You know why? Because it is just the opposite of the sine 3 theta. Just that you exchange the term. Now initially it is 3 sine theta. So now in the place of 3 sine theta, I mean this term will be here, all right? But sine will be replaced with cosine. So it's 4 cosine. I already told you 3 must be there at each term. So it will be cube theta minus, now this term will be here, all right? And the sine will convert into the cosine. So it is now 3 cosine of theta. So it's just exactly, see, it's just opposite of each other. Now the first term is here and the second term is here. Just the first term gets second term and second term get first term, and the sine get replaced by the cosine. That's it. So whenever you learn the trigonometry, which trigonometric ratio you first learn? You learn sine, and then you learn cosine, and then you learn tangent, and then other 3. All right. So always sine comes first. So whenever you're writing the formula for the sine, then always keep in mind 3 comes first. You're writing the formula of sine 3 theta, means 3 comes there, all right, at the first, and then every term contains 3. You know that. So 3 we have already written here. So in the next term you're going to write 4 sine cube theta, because again, I mean 3 is coming again here. And when you're writing the formula of cosine of 3 theta, just exchange it, just opposite it is, just exchange the term, all right, and replace sine by cosine. I hope you understand it. And now see how we can solve this question using this formula. All right, first we're going to deal with this one. Let him write the left hand side. Our left hand side is 8 cos cube pi by 9. Here pi by 9 is just a formula, 6 cosine of pi by 9. Okay, my dear friend, just tell me what you can take common from these two things. Here is 8 and here is 6, and what I know that this 8 is actually 2 times 4, and this 6 is 2 times 3. So here is also 2, here is also 2. So what about taking this 2 common outside? And it will be now 4 cos cube pi by 9 minus 3 cos pi by 9. All right, and now you compare this pi by this whole thing, if you just replace this pi by 9 by theta, what it's going to be? It's going to be like 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta. Isn't this? Yeah, it's exactly like this. If you compare this these two things, replacing pi by 9 by theta. All right, so it's 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta. What's that? That's the formula of cosine of 3 theta. So it's 2 times cosine of 3, and the theta is actually pi by 9, so it's pi over 9. So this 3 times 3, and then finally you'll get cosine of 2 times cosine of pi over 3. All right, and it's 2, and what is pi over 3? Cosine of 60 degree, cosine of 60 degree is 1 over 2. You must be knowing cosine of 60 degree, or in the radian format, cosine of pi by 3, that's 1 over 2. So this 2 and this 2 will cancel up, and you'll be left with 1, and that's our right hand side. Hey, we proved it, So this is how we need to proceed. This was a very simple example of using cosine of 3 theta, means thrice of angle format we learned. This is the first one. We'll be doing a lot of practice. Keep watching them all and try to understand the concept in each and every lesson. Alright, I will see you in the next video. Goodbye, and please don't forget to subscribe the channel and hit the like button. Bye bye.